Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new WD My Passport SSD. This is a 1 terabyte in size portable SSD drive, and it can fit in the palm of your hand, just like that. It's compact, it's dust resistant, it has a heat dissipating top portion to the case right there. It's very light, very small SSD inside, but it can hold 1 terabyte in size, has USB 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabit connection, and here is the USB-C cable right here, and it also has a USB-C to USB-A cable adapter that comes in the kit, so that's nice and easy. Some quick details about the drive. It shows that it's 256-bit AES encrypted, so you can set that up. It will work with your Windows and Mac, has a 5-year warranty. It has a 1050 megabit a second transfer rate with the encryption, so that's good. It works with Windows 10, it works with Mac OS, Catalina, Mojave, High Sierra, and further. It also has WD Discovery software for your backup and password protection, and it comes with a simple install guide as well. But it's very easy, you just plug and play most devices and you're off to the races. You can password protect your backups and you can take them with you. Pretty easy, 1 terabyte in size, and they also make other sizes as well, but we recommend the 1 terabyte. It's pretty simple and it's quite small. You can get this now from WD. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.